Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech Made Unique, and today we're going to see how to use clear formatting option on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to use the clear format option, I just going to show. First of all, we just going to have some format text here. So we just going to type as format. Okay, so for this, I just going to change this color to red, and also going to have a background text colors to yellow, and I just going to have a boldness, italic, underline option, and also strike through. So you can see I just made every single option on this text. So I just want to have this to be for the original portion or original state. So if you want to do that, you just want to have to turn off everything. Instead of that, you can use the clear formatting option. Click on this arrow section, and here you will see an option called formats. Click on this, which bring back to its original state or original position or original format. This is called clear formatting option on your WPS spreadsheet. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on the next video with just super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.